Oh, it's not very pretty right now. I'm gonna come back when it's pretty. You're pretty. Did they not let you play with them? You're just a baby. You just want to play with your sisters. I know. We're gonna have to do something about it. Tell me all about it, boyfriend. Tell me. Tell me, boyfriend. So the girls got this yesterday. I had some money at the consignment store that that's something I trade in, so we got that yesterday.
Messy pepper for the golf.
Pour les go. Go. C'est bon.
C'est ça, je parle.
If you walk today, it's on 11 months. Do you want to walk today? Just do it. Oh my goodness. You might seriously do it. Fifi did it on her 11-month birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him. Oh.
He's always part of family.
He's always part of the family.
Yeah.
So on your 11-month birthday, you were 11 months old, so you're exactly as old as Lulu today. And you walked right here. You just popped up and walked. No problem.
And after I was like, good job.
Mm-hmm.
I was a big baby.
You were a big baby.
Remember what Mama said? No, you know.
Yeah, and then I can hear you. You get out and you walk around and you go into the kitchen area, into the play kitchen.
And then I got out and get the...
I can hear you guys when you get out. I can hear the little footsteps. And I say, hey, get in bed.
And lay down.
And
And go to sleep.
That's exactly right. Fifi, you know it's not allowed. You get out one time, just to say you're ready to be tucked in. That's it, okay?
Juju came out many times. That's Papa Chef.
I love when Fifi talks sleep. Yep, Norel, your babysitters are coming tonight, and then Mama and Papa are gonna go on a date.
Which date?
I don't know. We're gonna go to dinner at a fancy restaurant. Ooh la la. The name of it is Ooh la la.
I want to go there.
I know. We're gonna take you to Papa's restaurant for his birthday. Huh, Papa? I'm so excited. That's gonna be awesome. And that's like in 2 or 3 weeks.
Tu sais combien?
1, 2, 3, 5.
4.
4.
4.
You know how to do it?
Can I see that?
Our water heater just got broken. We think we've got a plumber on his way. So this might be $1,000 problem. But we'll see. So we're trying to use up the little tiny bit of warm water we still have. So So what? You hate cold showers?
Yeah. Because you go, when I used to go play basketball, so you play in a Saturday afternoon, you play the last game, and you're the last one who takes the shower, and everybody else took a shower before you, and there's no hot water.
Papa's having trauma,
So you
guys. He has to take a cold shower. We have new frozen spray. And you little bees, that was a pretty cold little bath. It was a little hard. You were pretty sad. Nobody likes a cold shower. Okay, run and get dressed. We'll use our frozen spray.
Mama, look.
C'est le temps pour l'apéritif, les filles. Oh, the table. So, what are you making us, chef? For lunch?
Potato and pork.
Oh, are we going to use the pork that you made last week?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you have a little satchel of it in the... Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're just gonna saute that up into some deliciousness.
Hey, mine.
Yum.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Hey Lou, you slept through that dinner and we didn't save you any. We totally forgot about you. I'm so sorry. We're just having to give you some leftovers from another day. Poor baby. You would have loved that delicious lunch. So all in all, the water heater cost $1,000, but we got it installed. It only took a couple hours. And luckily we have this kind of money because we have it in the emergency funds. We do the Dave Ramsey program. I read the book when we were engaged, I think, and we've always just followed that money system of like have emergency money set aside so you don't have to worry about this kind of stuff, because like $1,000 just out of the blue, we certainly don't have money like that normally, but since we have this account, we'll just slowly pay that back. So that's the end of that drama. Now I gotta get dressed for our date. The babysitters are almost here. Just getting ready real quick and just feeling a little middle-age-ish. But what can you do? What'd you girls make? Where did it go, Juju? Hey, who's here?
Hey, how are you?
Fifi, who's here? It's Olivia! Are you so excited?
Wait, you got your bracelets off?
Yep.
Mais par contre,
la Johan Leroux.
Comment?
Johan Leroux. Tu as quel âge?
32 ans.
Ah
33
ouais, non, ouais, non, c'est vachement.
Mais par contre, la Côte du Rhône, c'est ma région préférée.
Ah bah là, j'ai réussi à en faire rentrer
J'adore.
4.
À bientôt. Je chope ma carte.
Ok, ça marche.
Bye. You're listening to pretty good music, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm old school.
Hey, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
How cute is that? How they made the cat.